Hi guys, thanks for watching. So today I'm coming back at you with another recipe. This time it's a chicken style gravy recipe, but it's vegan. So grab your stuff, you have the ingredients below, and meet me back in a few shakes. Add 4 cups of broth. And I add the rest of the wet ingredients, which is the soy sauce and the oil. And I blend. So after you've blended the wet ingredients, you can then pour all of the dry ingredients into the blender, but I would recommend leaving the arrowroot powder last because it's a thickener. So I'm stirring around a bit in the pot now, and it looks amazing. I mean, it tastes like chicken. It's great with like my lentil nut loaf. The recipe's on my website, lisalondon.com. Let me know how it works for you guys.